Welcome class 11. Today we are going to discuss about the directors meeting section 173. The directors meeting is the another types of the company meeting. Before that we had seen the shareholders meeting. In there we had seen the general meeting and the class meeting, which is the two kinds of the shareholder meeting. In the general meeting we had seen the annual general meeting under section 96 and extraordinary general meeting under section 100. Now thereafter we had seen the class meeting, which is the another kind of the shareholders meeting. Now today we will see the directors meeting, which is the kind of the types of company meeting. Basically there has the three kinds of the company meeting: shareholders meeting, directors meeting and creditors meeting. हमने शेयर होल्डर मीटिंग तो देख ली है. देर आफ्टर वी विल सी द डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग. देयर हैज़ द टू सब काइंड्स: बोर्ड मीटिंग एंड द committee meeting. So first let's start the meaning of the directors meeting. The directors are the elected representative of the shareholder. The directors are the elected representative of the shareholder. They are responsible for day-to-day affairs of the company. Directors meeting are arranged to discuss on policy matter and to take decision relating to the management of the company. Yes, directors are the elected representative of the shareholder. Why? Because we very well know the shareholders are scattered all over the world or in the country. जो भी शेयर होल्डर्स होते हैं कंपनी के, इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी, सो द शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ द जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी आर स्कैटर्ड ओवर द कंट्री एंड around the world. So they are unable to manage the company, they are unable to supervise or to guide the company. So they cannot control themselves to the country. So for controlling, for directing, for supervising and for managing the day-to-day affairs of the company, they elect their representative in form of the directors. Okay, so the directors are elected from the shareholder as a representative. So the directors are responsible for the managing the day-to-day affairs of the company. They are only responsible to manage the different activity of the company. They control, supervise, guide and manage the different activity which is done into the business. So directors meetings are arranged to discuss on policy matters and to take decisions relating to the management of the company. So for that they need the discuss the different point and different aspects of managing the company. कंपनी को मैनेज करने के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स में उनको डिस्कस करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. सो फॉर दैट देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग. सो directors meeting, they need to arrange for the discussion on the policy matters and to take decision relating to the management of the company. Now directors meetings are here classified in in two categories. That is the board meeting, and that is first was the board meeting and another is the committee meeting. So now today we will talk about the board meeting. Board meeting, which comes into under section 173. Let's see what is the board meeting. It is the meeting of the board of directors in pursuit of the regular management of the business. Yes, this is a kind of a meeting which is held by the board of directors. जो किसके थ्रू held होती है? By the board of directors. This is the meeting of the board of directors. Here the members is not the shareholder of the company. Here only the board of directors which exists into the meeting. Okay. In pursuit of the regular management of the business, the board of directors have to meet frequently. Okay. In regard of the proper management of the company, so board of directors need to meet frequently and regularly on the we can say on the progress in form of the progress level of the company. So the board of directors can exercise their power collectively through the board meeting. So in the board meeting, the board of directors, they can exercise and they use their powers collectively into the board meeting. Okay, now there has some legal provision related to the board meeting. यहाँ पे board meeting से related कुछ legal provision which the company has to follow, and the board of directors of the company have to fulfill these all legal provisions related with the board meeting. So first we will see the authority to convene. Okay, authority to convene means the authority who can conduct the board meeting. Okay, so let's start. अभी हमने देख लिया कि बोर्ड मीटिंग होती क्या है. ओके, प्रोविजंस स्टार्ट करने की पहले मैं आपको एक बार और अच्छे से बताना चाहती हूँ कि बोर्ड मीटिंग होती क्या है और ये जो डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं ये क्या होते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स मीन्स डायरेक्टर्स आर कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड एज द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. वो एक साथ मिलते हैं मीन्स दे मीट रेगुलरली टू डिस्कस एंड डिसाइड अबाउट द कंपनीज मैटर्स and implementations of the plans and policies to review the progress which is made by the company. Okay, now in there we had seen there has two kinds, board meeting and committee meeting. First we will talk about the board meeting, which comes under section 173. So board meeting is what? Board meeting, it is the meeting of the board of directors. This is the meeting of the board of directors. The board of directors have to meet frequently with reference to day वर्किंग ऑफ द कंपनी. जो डे टू डे वर्किंग होती है कंपनी की उसके लिए ये होते हैं. सो द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स कैन एक्सरसाइज देयर पावर कलेक्टिवली थ्रू द बोर्ड मीटिंग. यहाँ पर जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो अपने पावर्स को कलेक्टिवली क्या करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं टू गेट द गुड डिसीजन फॉर द कंपनी. नाउ देयर आर द सम लीगल प्रोविजन रिलेटिंग टू द बोर्ड मीटिंग. यहाँ पे कुछ लीगल प्रोविजंस हैं जो कंपनी को क्या करते हैं, करने पड़ते हैं, लेने पड़ते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल नेक्स्ट सी द लीगल प्रोविजंस रिलेटेड टू द बोर्ड मीटिंग. द फर्स्ट वन इज द अथॉरिटी टू कन्वेन, जो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया. सो हियर द चेयरमैन of the board is the proper authority to call the board meeting. Okay, here the chairman of the board is the proper authority to call the board meeting. Yes, shareholders meeting is called by the board of directors, but the board meeting is called by the chairman. Okay, so first provisions क्या हो गया हमारा, authority to convene means authority to conduct the board meeting. So here the chairman has the authority to conduct the board meeting. Now point number B. Okay, in point number B, number of board meeting. Okay, कितनी बोर्ड मीटिंग हो सकती है एक साल में. फर्स्ट बोर्ड मीटिंग कब और कितने दिनों में होनी चाहिए. सो every company shall hold the first meeting of the board of the directors within 30 days of date of its incorporation. Means the first board meeting shall be held within 30 days of the date of its incorporation. Means incorporation होने के, when the company get the incorporation certificate, after that within the 30 days the first board meeting should be held. पहली board meeting हो जानी चाहिए within the 13 days of its incorporation. Now the subsequent board meeting, this is the second part of the point number B, number of board meeting. Every company shall hold minimum 4 board meeting every year. The gap between 2 meetings should not be more than 120 days. यह एक साल में कितनी बोर्ड मीटिंग होनी चाहिए, मिनिमम देयर शुड बी 4 बोर्ड मीटिंग एवरी ईयर. कम से कम 4 बोर्ड मीटिंग होनी ही चाहिए. और जो गैप होगा बोर्ड मीटिंग का, मीन्स द गैप ऑफ द 2 बोर्ड मीटिंग शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 120 डेज. 120 दिन से ज़्यादा का उनका गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. मीन्स द गैप between 2 meetings should not be more than 120 days. Subsequently there should be 4 meeting in a year. Okay, subsequently एक साल में कितनी बोर्ड मीटिंग होनी चाहिए, 4 होनी चाहिए. and the gap of the 2 board meetings should not be more than 120 days. Now third, in case of the one person company. Okay, in case of the one person company, so in one person company, small company and a dormant company, the meeting of the board of directors should be conducted at least one meeting in each half of the calendar year. Means जो एक calendar year होता है उसके आधे मीन्स हाफ ईयर में एक बोर्ड मीटिंग तो हो ही जानी चाहिए. ओके, एटलीस्ट 1 मीटिंग इन ईच हाफ ऑफ द कैलेंडर मीन्स 6 मंथ में एक मीटिंग होनी चाहिए. एंड द गैप बिटवीन द 2 मीटिंग शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 90 days. कम से कम जो उनके मीटिंग के जो ड्यूरेशन होगा, मीन्स गैप डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ड्यूरिंग टू मीटिंग, जो भी डिस्टेंस होगा बिटवीन द टू मीटिंग शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 90 days in case of the one person company. Are you getting what I'm telling? Means at least one board meeting should be held in 6 months in case of the one person company. At least one board meeting तो हो ही जानी चाहिए in a 6 month in case of the one person company. वन पर्सन कंपनी की बात करें, स्मॉल कंपनी की बात करें या फिर गवर्नमेंट कंपनी की बात करें, तीनों के लिए क्या है कि एटलीस्ट वन बोर्ड मीटिंग तो हो ही जानी चाहिए. इट विल वेरी मस्ट be held in 6 months in case of the one person company, small company and government company. Okay, and the gap between the two meetings should not be more than 90 days in case of the one person company. In one person company में क्या होगा, जो गैप होगा दो मीटिंग के बीच का वो 90 डेज से ज़्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए. Are you getting? Now point number C, virtual meeting. Okay, the participation of the directors in a meeting of the board may be either in person or through video conferencing or other audio visual means. The meeting should be capable of recording and recognizing the participation of directors. Okay, अगर वर्चुअल मीटिंग की है सो जो डायरेक्टर्स होंगे जो पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे इन ए मीटिंग, दे मे बी आइदर इन पर्सन और थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, या तो वो फिजिकली प्रेजेंट होंगे या फिर वो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू प्रेजेंट होंगे या फिर ऑडियो विजुअल मीन्स के थ्रू प्रेजेंट होंगे. ओके, मीन्स they should be present physically or through the video conferencing or through the audio visual means. Okay, now meeting should be capable of recording and recognizing. मतलब मीटिंग ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि प्रॉपर वॉइस आनी चाहिए, रिकॉर्डिंग हो सके ऐसी होनी चाहिए, प्रॉपर जो वॉइस है वो रिकॉग्नाइज होनी चाहिए. ओके, जो भी पार्टिसिपेट किए हुए डॉक्टर्स हैं उनकी द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ डॉक्टर्स वॉइस शुड बी कैपेबल ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग एंड रिकॉग्नाइजिंग. In certain cases, the central government shall specify certain matter that cannot be dealt through video conferencing or other audio visual means. कुछ ऐसे केसेस भी हो सकते हैं. मतलब सर्टन केसेस में क्या होता है, अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने स्पेसिफाई कर दिया है कि ये मैटर्स हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू आप लोग नहीं कर सकते या फिर ऑडियो विजुअल मीन्स के थ्रू नहीं कर सकते, सो दे शुड प्रेजेंट इन फिजिकल फॉर्म. ओके, दे कैन नॉट डू इन अ ऑडियो विजुअल मीन्स और by the video conferencing. Okay, so if there is any urgency to call meeting and practically not possible for a doctor to attend the meeting in a short notice, so with the help of the technology a virtual meeting can be held. Means ऐसा होता है कोई urgency है, कोई immediate emergency है या फिर कोई immediate problem है, so the company can call the board meeting and if the members of the बोर्ड मीटिंग, जो भी मेंबर्स मीन्स जो भी डॉक्टर्स है, डॉक्टर्स ऑफ द कंपनी आर नॉट प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल फॉर देम, मीन्स मतलब दे आर नॉट प्रैक्टिकली नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर डॉक्टर्स टू अटेंड द मीटिंग इन ए शॉर्ट नोटिस. मतलब वो तुरंत नहीं पहुंच सकते, अटेंड नहीं कर सकते, दे आर अनेबल टू अटेंड द मीटिंग in an emergency. So with the help of the technology a virtual meeting can be held. Okay, now meetings are recorded and active participation of doctors are also possible. But जो meetings होगी वो रिकॉर्ड की जाएगी और एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन होना चाहिए डॉक्टर्स का. एंड इट आल्सो पॉसिबल थ्रू द वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग लाइक certain special and confidential matters cannot be dealt through the video conferencing. जो कुछ स्पेशल मैटर्स होंगे, जो भी सेंसिटिव मैटर्स होंगे, दे आर नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर देम, मीन्स दे कैन नॉट बी डील थ्रू द वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. वो ऐसे मैटर्स को वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू या फिर ऑडियो विजुअल मीन्स के थ्रू क्या करेंगे, उसको नहीं कर सकते एज पर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके, नाउ पॉइंट नंबर डी, नोटिस, सेक्शन 173 subclause 3. Now notice for the every board meeting must be given to every director at least 7 days before the meeting at his address. Okay, the meeting at his address means जो भी board meeting की जो notice होगी, the company give each and every director before the 7 days of the meeting. Okay, means whatever the meeting taken by the company in regard of the board meeting. So the company has to give the 7 days before notice to the every directors of the company at his address. The notice is sent along with the agenda of the meeting. Notice will be sent with the agenda to the each director. The notice shall be sent by the hand delivery or by the post or by the electronic means. Means the company have to send notice by the hand डिलीवरी भी करवा सकते हैं. Company can send by the post, company can by the registry, and company can send by the electronic means like email. And every officer whose duty is to give notice, if he fails to do so, means if he fails to send a notice, then he will be liable to penalty for rupees 25,000. Okay, if a company fail, if company fail to send notice within a given time, so the every officer in default shall be liable to penalty of rupees 25,000. Like understood what is the notice? Means the notice of every board meeting must be given to every director at least 7 days before the meeting at his registered address along with an agenda of the meeting. एजेंडा के साथ ही देना है. कब देना है? 7 दिन पहले देना है. एवरी डायरेक्टर्स को देना है. ओके, और विद दी एजेंडा देना है. एंड इट कैन आल्सो बी सेंड बाय द पोस्ट के थ्रू भी सेंड कर सकते हैं. इट कैन आल्सो बी सेंड बाय हैंड डिलीवरी और बाय द ईमेल. नाउ इफ एनी ऑफिसर of the company fail to send notice, so the every officer which is getting in default shall be liable to penalty of rupees 25,000. Okay, so this is the point number D, notice. Now point number E, quorum. Okay, section 174. Okay, as per the Companies Act, the quorum of the board meeting is 1/3 of the total number of directors or 2 directors, whichever is higher. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है? बोर्ड मीटिंग में जो कोरम होंगे वो कितने होंगे? जितने भी डायरेक्टर्स है उसके 1/3 या फिर 2, इसमें से जो भी हायर होएगा उतने कोरम प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. मीन्स 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स और 2 डायरेक्टर्स विच एवर इज हायर. इसमें से जो भी ज़्यादा रहेंगे वो कोरम प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए एज पर द कंपनीज एक्ट. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू कंपनी एक्ट, इफ दे हैज़ द 15 directors in a company, if there is a 15 director, sure they should present at least 5 directors. कम से कम 5 directors तो present होने ही चाहिए, या फिर 2. मीन्स अभी 2 में और 5 में कौन हायर है? 5. डेफिनेटली 5 हायर है. सो 5 directors should be present. मीन्स 5 directors as the quorum should be present. Okay, so any fraction should be rounded off as 1. Interested directors, that is directors who have a personal interest in any matter to be discussed in the meeting, are excluded from the quorum. ओके, जैसे देखो क्या बोला है कि इंटरेस्टेड डायरेक्टर्स, इंटरेस्टेड डायरेक्टर मीन्स द पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट इन एनी मैटर्स आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द कोरम. इसका पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट रिलेटेड है. ओके, जो ऐसा कोई डायरेक्टर्स जो अपने पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट से उस मैटर्स में रिलेट करता है मीटिंग के, सो इट आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द कोरम. वो कोरम नहीं माना जाएगा. ओके, नाउ एडजर्नमेंट. सो the board meeting is adjourned in the absence of quorum. It is to be held on the same day, time and place in the next week. अगर बोर्ड मीटिंग adjourned होती है in because of the absence of quorum, so it is held to at the same day, same time and the same place in the next week. Means next week के same डे पे, उसी दिन पे, उसी टाइम पे, उसी प्लेस पे नेक्स्ट वीक में वो मीटिंग रखी जाएगी. इफ़ कोरम के एब्सेंट होने पर मीटिंग एडजर्न होती है तो. आर यू गेटिंग? मीन्स द मीटिंग ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स कैन बी एडजर्न इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ कोरम. So the adjourned meeting can be held on the same day, same time and same place in the next week. Okay, so this is all about the board of directors meeting. This is all about the legal provision related to the board meeting. So today we had seen the directors meeting. This is another kind of the company meeting. In directors meeting we had seen the board meeting. and legal provision related to the board meeting. In the legal provision related to the board meeting, we had seen the authority to convene, that is the chairman, number of board meeting. Okay, there will be the first board meeting will be conducted within the 30 days of incorporation. Then there should be the total 4 meeting in a year. The gap of the 2 meeting should not more than 120 days. For the one person company, it will be held within the 6 month one board meeting. Thereafter the gap between the two meetings should not be more than 90 days. Now thereafter we have seen the virtual meeting and video conferencing will be there. It means it can be held there. Thereafter a notice, the every board meeting must be given to the every director before that 7 days, and with the agenda it can send by the post or by the hand delivery or by the email. Thereafter, if any company failed to send notice, so every officer which is in default shall be liable for the penalty of rupees 25,000. The quorum should be present is one third of the total number of the directors or two director, which is whichever is higher. जो भी दोनों में higher रहेंगे वो. Okay, and then adjournment, if there is a absence of quorum, so meeting can be adjourned, and the adjourned meeting can be held the same day, same time and the same place in the next week. So आज हमने देख लिया लीगल प्रोविजन टू बोर्ड मीटिंग. ये था हमारा पूरा कंटेंट. देयर आफ्टर इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल सी द कमिटी मीटिंग विच इज़ द अनदर सब पॉइंट्स ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग. आज के लिए इतना ही. गुड बाय.